Here's the raised beds, 4 of them, and I've just been playing around, stacking them up, having a bit of fun. Probably quite near to falling over onto the camera. But I was thinking whether you could set the raised beds up like this actually, and use this middle point here where the wood is, use that for standing in the middle to weed, being a bit of weed from both sides, and stand in the middle to weed. I'm having to think about that, but just having a bit of fun, stacking up my 1.168 raised beds into little forms and see what happens.